Tucked away in the Palliser Regional School Division sits a tiny gem called Champion School. The charm of small schools is that students and staff can be directly involved with their community, and from this relationship, a caring and supportive environment flourishes. At Champion School, endless opportunities are provided for students because of this nurturing relationship. Being a rural school does not hold students back from the many artistic experiences available. Academics have always been important, as is Christmas caroling at the local post office. And of course the marine biology program. Marine biology? On the prairies?
I'm Kathy Curley. I'm the school coordinator at Champion School. I've also assisted in planning this marine biology program for several years. The program began here in 1984. At that time, I was a student here, and I was fortunate enough to go on this once-in-a-lifetime trip, and it's a trip that I've never forgot. We have incredible support from our community and also from Palliser administration. Our community realizes what an important and unique opportunity this is for a group of prairie kids to go on the trip, so they've always been very supportive. The students begin preparing for this trip about 8 weeks before we depart. They spend several classes in the computer lab where they get to do different PowerPoint presentations and study different creatures that they may see when they get to the coast, as well as learn about tides and different navigational skills.
What do students think about before departing on their Gulf Island excursion?
Hi, my name is Ashlyn. I've never been to the ocean before. I hope to see elephant seals.
Hi, I'm Leah, and I'm a grade 9er from Champion School. And one thing that I learned in class is how many different kinds of sea stars there are. I didn't know there was that many. And one thing that I really want to see when we go on the marine bio trip is how many jellyfish there are.
This program, heavily supported by the Champion Parents Association and the Champion community as a whole, allows prairie students to explore a different world many have never experienced, like the Capilano Suspension Bridge, the Vancouver Aquarium, some really big trees, unique cultural places, government buildings, and historical places. Of course, the unique marine ships which make up much of Canada's transportation industry. Once students finally board their ship, unpack and settle in, they first learn about ship safety. This is not a cruise ship. Students have plenty of work to do, logbooks to complete, and regular ship cleaning that needs to be done. Students become active working crew members of the ship.
I love steering the boat, but I'm happy the captain was there so that I didn't crash it.
The ship's crew is very supportive, and they help students learn to work in teams, including launching, preparing for meals, and mooring the ship. Safety is constantly practiced and emphasized. The main event, however, is the intertidal zone.
I really liked exploring the intertidal zone.
The intertidal zone is where the students collect, classify, and learn about the unique creatures which inhabit this harsh environment. There are many creatures, like this tiny crab, unique sea stars, huge moon snails, and giant purple sea urchins, along with many other creatures. All are carefully studied. If fortunate enough, sea lions and other marine mammals are also observed by students. Sometimes studying intertidal life involves the use of some lesser-used senses.
I got to lick a banana slug.
Canada's west coast proudly displays its unique trees, early blooming flowers, and many captivating hiking trails. This is a place where students might simply spend an afternoon playing environmental games or learn to skip using bull kelp. Depending on the ship taken, paddling practice for the big boat race might be in order. Learning to bait crab traps, sort male from female crabs, and cleaning crabs in preparation for fine dining might also be a part of the experience. Sometimes fishing is involved, and with fishing comes the inevitable stories about the big ones, which of course got away. The long working days and full event evenings make for a unique educational experience. These lifelong memories will constructively help shape who these students will become. Champion School, the little school that makes a difference. Check out the many great schools within the Palliser Regional School Division. Go ahead, jump in, and see what quality education is all about.